Hello friends, today's topic sectors which benefited from Trump victory last time. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Global stock markets are keenly waiting to see who will be the next US president. It looks like a close fight between Donald Trump and Kamala Harris. If Donald Trump wins, it will be his second innings as the US president. Previously, he was president between 2017 and 2021. It was a surprise victory for Donald Trump in 2017 since experts globally were expecting his opponent Hillary Clinton to win. Stock markets globally, including India, don't like uncertainties and surprises, and hence the Trump win led to high volatility across markets. In India, the Sensex index fell by 1.3% on the day and it was known that Donald Trump will be the next US president. Of course, 8th November 2016 was the day two important announcements were made. PM Modi made an announcement about demonetization on 8th November evening, and also it was the same day of the US elections. So markets would have fallen due to a combination of both the reasons. Investors were apprehensive about Trump's America First policy and that it would negatively impact other countries. Here are some of the sectors of the Indian stock market which did well last time when Donald Trump won the elections. First sector is IT sector. Trump's policy of bringing jobs back to America raised concern among the Indian IT companies that rely heavily on outsourcing contracts from US companies. The beginning of 2017, the Indian rupee weakened against the US dollar due to the expectation of tighter immigration policies. However, the sector soon started doing well. Trump encouraged American companies to invest in domestic manufacturing and infrastructure. It opened up new opportunities for Indian IT firms to provide cost-effective solutions in data analytics, automation, cloud computing, and AI. Second sector, energy and defense. Energy and defense were also key sectors that benefited from Trump's presidency last time. Trump's policy of increasing defense spending in the US translated into rising opportunities for Indian companies involved in defense manufacturing, including Hindustan Aeronautics, Bharat Electronics, and L&T. The US had greater defense collaboration with India, which led to increased defense deals, including the purchase of military hardware from India. There were several deals signed between the US and Indian companies during this period. Third sector, banking and financial services. The Indian banking and financial services sector saw positive momentum after January 2017. Demonetization in November 2016 had put focus on banking and financial services already. Trump took various decisions which indirectly benefited Indian banks and financial institutions. Also, Indian government's initiatives which encouraged digitization of the economy led to significant increase in the stock prices of banks like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank during the first few months of 2017. 4. Automobile. The Indian automobile sector also showed growth after Trump's victory, particularly in the export market. US trade policies, which initially caused concern, turned out to be beneficial for Indian car makers due to the ongoing demand for affordable cars in US. Companies like Maruti Suzuki, Mahindra and Tata Motors saw positive movement in their stock prices. There was optimism in this sector from the beginning of 2017. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think these sectors will do well this time too if Trump wins the election? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching, bye bye and all the best.